Hey guys, so I've been looking for a phone mount that I could put somewhere here as I ride the R3 here, and then what I found was this. It's basically the RAM mount. This one's called the RAM X mount. So you put in like your phone here, grips on, and then I bought this shorter section. I think these come in different lengths, and this is the shortest one they have. And then it also comes with this ball joint, and it screws in to wherever you need to. And then this, basically you turn this and it tightens it. So I'm thinking that this will go into this little hole here. I'm guessing the left one, and then this will go into here, and then this I can, however, maybe mount it like that, and then theoretically, if it fits, if it works, it'll look like this. And that way it's kind of out of all the controls here, and I can still see the screen. Yeah. Okay guys, so this little project turned out a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. So originally I took this out, and then I'm like, okay, so whatever RAM came with these three different screws, and I'm like, okay, it's gonna fit perfectly. But turns out that these don't fit, right? As you see, they don't fit, they're bigger. This guy does not. I mean, you can obviously see that this is a lot thicker. And how would I show you this? See, it goes like this. It's supposed to go like this and this into there, but it doesn't fit. And then I'm like, okay, no problem. We'll try to fit the original, which was here, into there and back in. But no, that doesn't work either. And I was thinking of cutting it, right? But then that's probably not a good idea. So I went over to Home Depot. Spent about 15 minutes there looking for this piece here. Apparently these are metric screws, so yeah, you gotta make sure that it's the right fit. But this is what I got. I forgot the size, but I just brought the original there, and then they helped me with it. But you need something like this, and this fits perfectly. And you need this plus a washer, because without it, it won't fit. It'll be loose. And it goes like this, and then this fits into there, and then you got it. And that will work. And then I got a little bit of Threadlock just to secure it in place, and that should be it. So make sure you get this guy at Home Depot or wherever. This is what you need. Right, and then I put my phone with that. Oh yeah. There we go. So then you just, tie it down when you feel like this is the right position. That's pretty good. So then I have all my controls here and here. Key. It's not blocking the rev count. Yeah, so there you go. And then I'm gonna be wiring, a charger to here, but I think right now this is actually very nice. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Just need to turn it. I'm gonna wait till the Threadlock dries up, and then should be good to go. So there it is. This is the ram mount. And again, put it right into this hole on the opposite side. And for the Yamaha R3. Alright.